Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important for all the people who are currently looking for a job. Okay, it can be freshers, it can be experienced people who are currently working in service-based IT company that do not have a good technology that they are working on right now. So this video is for all those people who are currently looking for a job in IT industry in a very good company as well as a high-paying job. Okay, so we are going to explain everything in detail, the detailed process, how you can get a good job, how you can acquire the skills, how you can put them on your resume, how you can get selected for the interviews, as well as how you can clear the coding round. Okay, so a lot of people face difficulty channelizing all these processes. So we are going to explain everything in detail. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end and try to understand each and everything that we are going to share. So let us begin. Let us do one fun activity. Okay, go on Google and simply search for full stack web developer jobs. You will find that there are a lot of companies who are still hiring for full stack web developers who are highly skilled and who have the right and relevant skills that are required to become a good full stack developer. Okay, so that is the reason there are thousands and lakhs of job opportunities that are available for this kind of role. And this is where the Dropout Academy comes into picture, wherein they are offering a pay after placement program which will help you to become a full stack web developer. Herein, you will be able to learn from Google, Meta, and top IIT professionals, which will help you to get high paying job in top notch product based companies such as Amazon, Myntra, housing.com, Capgemini. Okay, all good companies. They have already placed more than 1500 people. Okay, and this is still going on, guys. Okay, what you can do is you can simply apply for a free trial. Okay, the process is very simple. You just have to go and click over here, apply for a free trial, and fill in your basic details, and you can start with the program. Okay, they are already having 2000 plus learners and they have a placement rate of 100%, guys. Okay, so since this is a pay after placement program, the average salary is also very important. Okay, so herein they are providing 10 lakh rupees per annum as the average salary after you complete this pay after placement program. Okay, this means that you don't have to pay anything if you don't get a job. This is very simple, guys, and this is very convenient for all the freshers as well as the experienced employees who are currently working in service based IT companies and who want to switch into top notch product based companies. Okay, the course duration is also 6 months. It is not too long or too short. You will be able to learn each and everything about full stack web development in this program. Now let us have a look at other points of this course and curriculum as well. So what you can do is you can go on the website and you can personally read out all the success stories from the alumni. Okay, people are working as full stack developers at Credenec, full stack developer at Myntra, backend developer at Capgemini, and a lot of other companies, guys. The mentors and the instructors at the Dropout Academy are from top IITs and engineering colleges in India, and they are currently working at companies like Meta, that is Facebook, Google, PwC, NoApp, and a lot of other top product based companies. Now, a lot of you might be having the same common doubt, that is, what would be the daily schedule? So, let me tell you guys that you will be having live lectures for every alternate days. That is 2 hours of lectures every alternate day. And the next alternate day, you will be having 1:1 feedback sessions with the mentors. Okay. And the most important point that I should highlight in this program is that each student will be getting two different mentors. So, you can ask your doubts, you can get your queries resolved as well. Okay, and from the very beginning they have LinkedIn optimization workshops so that it becomes easier for you to understand how the LinkedIn works and how you can apply for the jobs and how you can get jobs. Okay, and along with that, the third point that I want to highlight is that after every 2 units, okay, so as soon as you complete two different units, then they conduct mock interviews, because mock interviews are very important when it comes to cracking the real interviews, because the ideal case scenarios and all the things, coding questions and all the round are being followed. Okay, so then you have a early on preparation test for interviews. And the next important point is that they have more than 35 plus assignments and a major project to end with. So ultimately you will be having some assignments that you should complete. Okay, and you should try to solve the problems, the questions mentioned in the assignment, and to top it all, the major project wherein you will be able to learn actual project implementations and how you can create a good project. So guys, the admission process is very simple. They accept all the people from all different backgrounds. Okay. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to click and apply for a free trial. Okay. Once you apply for the program with your name, your email ID and contact number, and you have to fill the Google form. Okay. Now this is very important for shortlisting process. The second thing is you have to attend the demo lectures. Okay. You will be having some basic concept development and web development for free. Okay. That this will be definitely for free. The third step will be you have to pass the entrance exam. Okay, so after this demo lectures, okay, you will be asked to complete a test. On passing this test successfully, you shall be selected for the full stack development cohort. Okay, and the fourth step will be, yes, definitely you can start learning. After selection, you will need to sign an income sharing agreement and share relevant documents. Okay, you can connect with the counselor at the Dropout Academy. They will explain you the entire fees and income sharing agreement and all those things, and you can start learning and you can start with your journey. Okay, so this is it about the Dropout Academy, guys. Let us know what you feel. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. You can also go to the FAQ section over here. You can read out the questions and you can get your questions solved. Okay, so if you still have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section and we will happily answer all your questions.